Hi everyone, and welcome to our new video. Today I will show you how to change background color in Windows Forms apps using buttons. Before we start, I would like to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel to support my work. Now, shall we continue? First, we will need to add two buttons in our form. After we add buttons in form, we will name one gray and one white. After that, we have to double-click both of them to create blocks of code for them, and we will write comments in each block with color we want that button to place. When that's done, we will start writing actual code. For changing background color, we need just one line of very simple code. We will write same code for each button, but we will set different colors. When that is done, we are going to press Start button to test how our application works. We're going to press both buttons to test how they work and see will they change back color. Everything seems to work. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like it to support my work. See you in next one.